Hit that subscribe button to never miss my plant-based recipes and videos.
One of the most consumed products that people don't even necessarily associate with being plant-based is non-dairy milk. So that's almond milk, oat milk, cashew milk, soy milk, and people spend hundreds of dollars a year buying it in the store. But I'm gonna show you how to make your own. Today, we're using oat milk, but the same process works no matter what you're using. So all you really need is a high-speed blender and a nut milk bag. So the first thing we're gonna do is put 4 cups of water into our blender, and then we're gonna add a cup of oats. Put the lid on, and then we're gonna crank it on high for 30 seconds to about a minute, just until everything's nicely combined. After that, we're gonna pour it into the nut milk bag and capture it inside a large container. It's a bit messy, so you're gonna want as big a container as possible. And this is where you see why it's still called milk, because you literally have to milk the bag just to squeeze all that wonderful goodness out. So the cleanup for this is, a bit of a thing with a nut milk bag, but I know some people will also use the refuge inside of here to make cookies and other things. Why buy it at the store when you can milk it at home? So this amount fits into a large mason jar. And there you have it. Now you've got oat milk. So this stores at least 4 to 5 days inside the fridge. You're gonna notice that it'll separate. All you have to do is give it a good shake and then it's ready to use. Non-dairy plant-based milk. If you have a little extra time and the right tools, there's no reason why you need to buy it at the store.
Go to pbwithj.ca for these recipes and more. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and click that notification bell.